I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PS4 controller on Steam. First, connect your controller to your PC. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, reliable connection, or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. If using Bluetooth, ensure your PC's Bluetooth is active. Once connected, Steam should automatically recognize your controller, making the initial setup straightforward and quick. Next, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode. This mode provides a full-screen, controller-friendly interface, perfect for navigating your game library. Within Big Picture mode, go to the controller settings. Here, you must enable PlayStation configuration support. This crucial step allows Steam to properly interpret your PS4 controller's inputs, unlocking its full potential for all your games. Now, let's customize your experience. For each game, you can create unique controller configurations. Steam also offers a vast library of community-created layouts, allowing you to quickly find and apply optimized settings. Feel free to adjust button assignments, stick sensitivity, and even vibration feedback to perfectly match your playstyle. This level of personalization ensures maximum comfort and control. Finally, here are some tips for a seamless experience. Regularly update your PS4 controller's firmware and your Steam client to prevent compatibility issues. If your controller isn't recognized, try restarting Steam or even your entire PC. For wired connections, using a high-quality USB cable can significantly improve stability and reduce input lag, ensuring smooth gameplay every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.